Guys, welcome back to Drew tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete a space within your Google chat. So let me go ahead and open up my Google chat here, and as you can see that I'm currently within a space that I've created. Now if you are not able to see it like this, it could be that you're on the home, and if you're at home you'll be able to see the different spaces that you have. Right now, if you click on this tree that's on the right hand side, you realize that you don't have the option to delete the space. You're able to block on report, and you also are able to leave the chat, right? But you're not able to delete it. However, if you open the chat, or open the space rather, you will be able to have more control over this. And if you click the drop down option here beside the name of the space, you have a lot more option as well. So if you look all the way to the bottom here within the list, you have the option to delete the space and all its content for all members. So if you go ahead and click delete, then you go ahead and click delete again, you realize that the space is now deleted and it's no longer available. Right, and that's all there is to it, guys. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.